Hello, today I'm going to give you a translation for the story Sulla, which is on page 149 in your textbooks. I'm going to go through it quite quickly, so you might need to keep pressing the pause button so you can check your work against my translation. Here we go. Marcus came out of the villa. He saw Sulla. Be careful with this sentence because Sullam is an accusative, so you must translate the verb weed it before Sullam. He saw Sulla. Same principle with the next sentence. Conspexit titulum. He caught sight of a notice or a slogan for titulum. After he read the notice, he was angry. Marcus cursed the sign writer very much. Valde. Your brother invited me to the house, said Sulla. Your brother gave me 10 denarii. My brother is more stupid than a donkey, Marcus responded to Sulla. This word here, stultior, is a comparative, more stupid. In our house, I am master, because I am older. Sulla, rub out that writing. Write a new slogan. Marcus gave Sulla 15 denarii. Does it please you? He asked. It pleases me, Sulla responded to Marcus. Sulla, after he rubbed out the writing, he wrote a new notice. Marcus and his brother favour affair. We trust affair. Now notice on this slide we've got two dative verbs, farwent, favour, or give favour to affair. And here we have credimus. We give trust to affair, or we trust affair. Marcus was very, very happy, and he called his brother out of the house. Latissimus here is a superlative. Marcus showed the writing to his brother. Quartus, after he read the notice, he was very, very angry. Superlative, iratissimus. Quartus punched Marcus. Then the brothers were fighting in the street. Marcus, Quintus, stop! Go inside, shouted Sulla. I have an excellent idea. After the brothers entered the house, Sulla finished the job quickly. He wrote 2 notices on the wall. Then he called the brothers out of the house. Some of you might have got that sentence wrong and said the brothers called, but again, fratres here is an accusative, so translate your verb vocavit before fratres. Look, Marcus saw this slogan. Marcus favours affair. Affair is an excellent candidate. Hooray! This slogan delights me very much, pleases me very much, said Marcus. Quartus caught sight of another notice on the wall. Quartus favours Holconius. Holconius is an excellent candidate. Quartus was also, quoque, very, very happy. The brothers gave Sulla 30 denarii. Sulla was happy, was smiling. After the brothers departed, he added a third slogan. Marcus and Quartus are very, very generous. The end.